How is HubSpot CRM integration helpful for organizations? Integrating HubSpot CRM can be a game changer for your organization, whether if you're a small business or a large enterprise. Having an efficient CRM system can streamline your operations and drive growth. So, what makes HubSpot CRM integration so beneficial? Let's dive into some key points. First, HubSpot CRM helps you centralize all of your customer data. Instead of juggling multiple spreadsheets or disparate systems, you have all information in one place. This means every team member can access up-to-date customer data anytime, anywhere. It not only saves time, but also ensures that everyone is on the same page, enhancing collaboration across departments. Next, HubSpot CRM allows you to build stronger relationships with your customers, with detailed customer profiles, interaction histories, and personalized communication tools. You can understand and cater to your customers' needs better. This personalized approach leads to high customer satisfaction and loyalty. Another significant advance is the boost on sales performance. HubSpot CRM offers powerful sales tools like lead tracking, email templates, and sales automation. These tools help your sales team work more efficiently, follow up on leads promptly, and close deals faster. Plus, with insightful analytics and reporting, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your sales strategy. And finally, HubSpot CRM is scalable and flexible. As your business grows, HubSpot grows with you. You can customize the CRM to fit your unique needs and add new features as required. This scalability ensures that your CRM system remains effective and relevant as your business evolves. In summary, integrating HubSpot CRM can transform how your organization manages customer relationships, boost sales, and aligns marketing efforts. It's a powerful tool that helps you streamline operations, enhances productivity, and drive growth. Install the Eazybe Chrome Extension now to integrate your HubSpot CRM with your WhatsApp and subscribe to our channel for tips to make the most of your WhatsApp HubSpot integration.